ABC Speaking Academy. Hello, kids. Welcome to our class. Today, we are going to learn some very useful words and sentences. We are used every day at school. Classroom language. Help us talk. Our teachers and friends ask questions and share ideas. Are you ready to learn and practice classroom language? Let's begin. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
May I come in?
May I come in?
I'm present today.
I'm present today.
My friend is absent.
My friend is absent.
May I go out?
May I go out?
Can I drink water, please?
Can I drink water, please?
May I go to the restroom?
May I go to the restroom?
I dropped my eraser.
I dropped my eraser.
I forgot my book.
I forgot my book.
I didn't understand.
I didn't understand.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I finished my work.
I finished my work.
I have my notebook.
I have my notebook.
I need a ruler.
I need a ruler.
I brought my homework.
I brought my homework.
Can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
I'm ready to answer.
I'm ready to answer.
Please check my work.
Please check my work.
May I sharpen my pencil?
May I sharpen my pencil?
I need more time.
I need more time.
May I borrow a pencil?
May I borrow a pencil?
Please open your books.
Please open your books.
Let's listen carefully.
Let's listen carefully.
What page are we on?
What page are we on?
Please open your books.
Please open your books.
I like this activity.
I like this activity.
This is fun.
This is fun.
Let's take turns.
Let's take turns.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.
I'm done.
I'm done.
It's my turn.
It's my turn.
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
Time for a quiz.
Time for a quiz.
Can I go first?
Can I go first?
Let's line up.
Let's line up.
Sit properly, please.
Sit properly, please.
Don't shout, please.
Don't shout, please.
Let's keep quiet.
Let's keep quiet.
I love learning.
I love learning.
Let's work in pairs.
Let's work in pairs.
Let's do group work.
Let's do group work.
Let's clean up.
Let's clean up.
Time to pack up.
Time to pack up.
Don't forget your things.
Don't forget your things.
Let's sing a song.
Let's sing a song.
Let's do our best.
Let's do our best.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Great job, everyone. Now, you know some important classroom language that will help you every day in school. Remember, practice saying these words and sentences with your teacher and classmates. The more you practice, the easier it gets. See you next time and keep learning.